English or Hindi?
English.
Oh, English, Hindi,
English is
whatever.
better?
Yeah,
English is better?
yeah, English.
No, I've just come today, tomorrow, I'm here. So meeting all our leaders, party workers. I'm going to Mapusa now. Then tomorrow I'll be in Madgaon, meeting our Jilla Panchayat candidates and our block presidents and other party workers, central organization. So just reviewing the ZP election results and now how to strengthen the party organization. That is the main focus. And how to regain the trust of the Goan people. That is our main agenda. So I've come for that.
So why do you think why the ZP election you had been lost?
See, ZP election, first of all, because of the delay, we had no idea when the election was going to take place. But only BJP knew when they were going to. It was all fixed. They knew when the election was going to take place. They had already managed many and we didn't have in campaign. And the second thing was we had all kinds of promises, 8,000 jobs, then we'll restart mining, so many things they promised. Today nobody is talking about that. And of course money, you know how they're spending money like water. So all those things also are there. Along with that, we also have to introspect definitely. Though we have worked hard, our candidates have worked very hard, we were confident of better results. But somewhere I think we should have worked in a more better fashion, and our leaders should get involved more in the campaigning, in the election. So whatever issues those we are introspecting, and we will take suitable measures in the future.
Do you think that Congress leaders from the Goa have not taken initiative to do
No,
the
they
ZP
were,
election?
but I think because of we were not sure when the elections are going to take place, and suddenly it is announced.
They failed to give 100%.
So
Yeah.
we had less time, and so I think my main agenda now is to see that we build up our organization, we give more enthusiasm to our party workers, and overall the organization, right from the booth level, block level, district level, and state level. So we reorganize it, and we take up people's issues. There are many issues, burning issues in Goa: coal, mining, then highways, then price rise, LPG hike, and all this, no jobs, false promises. So many things are there. So we'll take up all those things.
Okay, sir, you were senior leader Prataswar and you were not able to get
I will not make any comments about all that. That is all internal party issues. We will be discussing within the party.
But Girish alone took a responsibility and he has sent his resignation.
No, he has sent his resignation. That the party high command will decide what to do. I will also finish my 2-day program here and then again discuss and then with the party high command and see what needs to be done.
Even sir, even AAP, which is a new party in Goa, also get one seat. So what do you think?
See, now this is a democracy. Congress believes in democracy. So it's not that there should not be any other political party. Everybody has got a right. In Indian democracy, our constitution gives a right to everybody. Independents are one, MGP is one, NCP is one, AAP is one, Congress is one, a few, BJP is one. So that is democracy. Our agenda is Congress has done a lot for Goa. Congress has, even our governments have done a lot of good work. UPA government did a lot of good work. So where we have gone wrong that is for us to introspect and correct ourselves. But people of Goa want the Congress. People of Goa like the Congress. But we also have to, I think, put in the right kind of effort and organize ourselves and have a proper strategy, and we'll go to the people.
So divided opposition helped BJP to win this election.
See, there are many aspects to it that are there. BJP's agenda is, very clear. They always want to divide the vote, and they use many other political parties also as Team B, Team C to do all those things. So they do that. They're trying to do that here also.
In Goa, they have Team A, B, C.
So they do all that. That is their. See, they will go to any extent to win an election. They are the most corrupt party in the country today. Where do they get so much money from? Where do they spend so much money from? It's the most corrupt party. Simply they talk about all Hindutva and Ram and all that. The most unethical, the most corrupt party in the country today is the Bharatiya Janata Party.
So you
I will come to this again. ZP election. Your own leader are blaming the Girish is the responsible person for the losing the ZP.
Success has got many fathers. Failure is an orphan. So, but we should be collective. Victory also we should have collective responsibility. Defeat also we should have collective responsibility.
So you have
So all of us have to share the responsibility. So that should be the attitude.
So you have been holding one-to-one meeting with party MLAs, frontal organization chiefs, and so what was their feedback?
See, I'm
Whether they
still
want
here.
to-
See, I can't make any comment. I'm here for one more day. Today more I'm meeting. Tomorrow also meeting. Full day I'm here till the night. So I'll have to make my own assessment, and that assessment cannot be a public issue. That's my own personal issue, which I'll share with the party high command.
Even the Reginald is saying the changes should be there.
Reginald is a very good MLA, 3-time senior MLA, and his views also will be taken on board. Congress believes in democracy. Everyone has got a view. Nobody is, everyone can express whatever opinion they have. But ultimately, we will do whatever is in the interest of the Congress party, and suitable decisions will be made.
So what about your opinion on the beef issues? Because as a Christmas, New Year is on.
Karnataka already
See, BJP is a hypocritical party. Some states they will say we have to worship the cow and we should not kill bulls and buffaloes. They say in Karnataka now they've come out with an act. Today in Karnataka the farmers don't know what, nobody wants to keep cattle today because the people are getting scared. So draconian the law is, and government is not giving even 1 rupee to take care of those bulls and buffaloes. So what will the farmer do with that? And if you keep it, then you have to take care of it. To take care of it, the farmer needs money. He needs fodder. He doesn't have. So government should have given some money to this to the farmer in Karnataka. They have not done that. Then they say no beef. But why can't they do that in Goa? Why can't they pass the same law in Karnataka? Why can't they pass the same law in Goa then? So this is hypocrisy. Today, BJP, if they want to really, if they believe that the cow is which we all believe, we all worship the cow. In Hindu Dharma, cow is worshipped. It's part of our constitution to prevent cow slaughter. But BJP has interpreted in a different way. So if they want to ban beef, why don't they ban exports of beef? No. Why ban in Karnataka? Why ban in some Uttar Pradesh? Why ban in Madhya Pradesh? And allow it in other states? Why should Goa Chief Minister says, I want to get more beef? Isn't he BJP Chief Minister? So Modi should have one policy then. Let him ban exports of beef. Uttar Pradesh, where Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister, is the biggest exporter of beef in the country. So how is that happening? This is all hypocrisy. It's a very unfortunate. And that is for people to decide.
सर लास्ट टाइम एक आप विजिट किया था गोवा में, उधर थोड़ा मिस कोटेड हुआ था, आप ही ट्वीट किया था रिगार्डिंग माधे इश्यूज.
See, I've already made a comment. I don't want to make any further comment.
बट दिगंबर
Congress is not serious about Madhya.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to make any further comments. I've already reacted to it. Now state leadership will take their own decisions.
बट आपको लगता है कि कर्नाटक डाइवर्ट किया है?
I don't want to make any such comments because it is a state issue, serious issue. They will take their stand. There's nothing for me to comment on that. We don't come in the way. I am in the organization to strengthen the Congress party, not about issues concerning. These are the issues which the state will take up. Whatever is the issue of Goa leadership will take up.
When you are strengthening the Congress in Goa, don't you think so there is a Madhya issue is important?
See, I'm just telling you again and again. I know you want to catch me on this because that's what you want a headline for. But I'm telling you, I am an organizational person. Today, BJP, C.T. Ravi is also head of in charge of Goa. So these are not issues which we can dictate to the states. We are a national party. There is Tamil Nadu, there are so many states. Each state has got its own issues. So the state leadership will act upon their interests of the state. That's all. We have no problem with
But
that.
you can dictate on the beef issue, but why not on Madhya?
Beef, I'm saying, as a national policy. It's a national policy, I'm saying. Because beef is, today, in the name of beef, the violence takes place. In the name of beef, people are attacked. So that's a different issue. That's a national issue.
So you are as a Congress, and even you have time and again you have said about farmers' issue. and Mahadi is very important for Goa.
See, again, you want to just say, I'm telling you, it's a issue which the state leadership will decide. So I have nothing to do with that. They will decide whatever needs to be done for Goa, they will do.
So whatever has been
So
taken
you
by
as a Goa
How many
desk in
you
charge
want to ask
can,
the same question? I don't understand. Please ask another
sir,
question.
you as a state desk in charge can influence
No,
state.
can you ask me some other question, please? Because you're just going around and around and around the same thing. I already told you.
Okay, decision on Girish resignation will be only after you submit this report.
See, I will take a necessary feedback and all those things, and then ultimately it's a decision of the party high command. Mine also will be a feedback to them. Of course, party high command, Congress president she'll have her own feedback from many other sources also, and then ultimately we need to take up people's issues. We have to win the trust of Goan people, and we have to win their faith. And Congress is a party which is secular, which takes along everybody together. We have sacrificed for the freedom, for the Goa liberation, for preserving Goa's culture. Who's done all this? It is the Congress party. No? We respect everyone's unique identity. Pondicherry, French colony, we respect that. Goa, earlier Portuguese colony, we respect that. So all cultures and identities Congress respects. So we have done a lot for Goa and we want to win back the trust of Goan people. So for that we will take necessary steps. We want to bring in new leadership. We want to have new faces in the elections, more committed people. We want to identify them, so that we bring in a fresh blood into the party, new ideas, new thoughts. So this time in the elections also we want to put in many new faces to contest. New candidates.
New leadership, you told. It is the president that new face will go.
New leadership means people emerging as new leaders. Younger people becoming leaders.
Okay.
Younger
Like a
people-
president?
Not only president.
Goa
President, or tomorrow they can become MLA candidates. Tomorrow they can become MP candidates. Tomorrow they should be at the. So we want fresh faces, younger faces to come up, and we want to give them more opportunity.
Okay, sir, there will be alliance. It
See, now
can be a strategy.
my focus is to strengthen the Congress now. Our focus is that now. Next 2-3 months, we want to go to the booth level and block level and all those levels and strengthen the party at that level. That is our focus. These issues, we have still lots more time to decide. Election is more than 1 year away. 1 year to 2-3 months away. So we will decide all those things later. Now Congress should become strong and we need to reorganize ourselves. So that is the focus now. I don't want to distract from that.
The two names are coming, the Lujin Falero and the Digambar Kamat. What role they are playing at the present for a presidency and
See, all those things are all I can't comment. No, these are all. There are many people. So why only two of them? There are many other people also. No.